What if one underwater housing could work with nearly every camera on the market? Sounds unbelievable? Let's take a look. Hello and welcome here to Rigged and Ready, the Pixel Dive. I'm your host Toby, and back in January I was at the boat trade show in Düsseldorf. There I visited the booth of Easydive and took a look at their very unique approach on underwater camera housings. Just before we start with the interview, I took there one small mention. The YouTube algorithm doesn't like underwater photography content. That's why it's very important that you like, share, comment and subscribe if you like this kind of content and you don't want to miss out on any further content. It's a very big help for me as well to help produce better content for you. But now, without further ado, let's start with the interview.
Hi Fabio, you have very special housing because one housing fits every camera. Could you explain us how it works?
Hi, yes, of course. This is our housing Leo 3W. Is a universal housing, work with a lot of different camera and brand. Inside of this housing is very high technology, but it's very easy to use, Easydive. And because you need to connect only in the base plate the USB cable. The housing inside have a lot of technology, USB, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and infrared, but depends of the camera you fit inside, you can have automatically some different control. Now, inside of this housing, we have one Sony, and with this Sony, you can change, for example, very fast aperture, shutter speed, ISO, and a lot of parameter. In the website, we have all the PDF with the list of the control, but you have a very big advantage because the housing don't have same the other housing, a lot of through, the button is magnetic, is the only housing that standard deep, operative 150 meter and only double O-ring in the back and warranty lifetime. We give the warranty lifetime in our housing because it's very solid housing. You buy one housing one time and you don't need to change anything. When you buy the new camera, it's a very big advantage. You need to buy only the new base plate adapter. You go in our website and when you have buy the new place adapter, the very big advantage that you don't need to realize anything. You can update the housing and automatically the housing recognize the new camera. Now inside there is Sony, but if I remove Sony and I fit, now we have Canon R8. When I fit Canon R8 inside, automatically the housing recognize that is Canon, now flashing green, and same button, aperture up, aperture down, shutter speed, ISO, and all of other parameters, because you have also one button, is the switch mode, and it changes all the button, the function of the button, and you can have more function.
Every button has two functions with it, and one for the shooting mode and one for setting it up and taking a look at the pictures. Okay.
In the same time, normally with the Sony, you have one button in front for take the picture and in the back rack for press the video automatically. You don't need to switch with the Sony. With some different camera, depends. There is the PDF of the list because the function change in function of the camera that you fit inside. But in our website, there is all the PDF with the list and the very big advantage is also the port. You can remove very fast and you have also the zoom lens, and when you fit the port, you have the lock. Every part. You have the fiber optic, you can have a vacuum system, you can add the Nikon's connection, there is some different parts and it's very easy, but the very big advantage is that when you
switching up the cameras,
you buy and you can change without, you don't need to buy another new housing. This is your housing, you buy one time and you are sure. And also the contact direct is better for the customer, also for us, because we know all our customers from the 2000. We have all the number WhatsApp of all our customers, and if the customer don't understand or need an help, you don't contact the dealer or the distributor, but you go directly to our factory and we will give the answer really fast. It's our job, but for us it's very important that the customer is really satisfied of our product.
I have one subscriber at least who uses your housings and he's pretty satisfied, especially with the customer support. He told me that he once had a minor problem, he wrote an email and was directly at the boss, and so it's pretty nice.
we are not a very big company, we are a small company, but we know, I tell you, we know all our customers, and the very big difference in this day, I think, is not when you buy one housing, but is the customer service,
Yeah.
no? Because when you have a problem or you need a support or you need to suggest, is our job from about 26 years. This year is 26, and is our passion, is our job, and we give the best suggest to all our customers.
Yeah. And two last questions for the housing. You mentioned it has a battery inside. So
Yeah.
for how long could I shoot, and could I power the camera as well as the housing? Or
Yeah,
is it just for once?
the very big very big advantage of our housing is the extra battery inside.
Yeah.
Normally the battery is for alimentation of the housing, but it's very powerful battery. It's a minimum 14 hours of autonomy.
Yeah.
But with the Sony camera and some other model of camera, you can select in the menu alimentation by USB,
Yeah.
and automatically the camera takes alimentation from the battery of the housing, and you have minimum 6 hours, and you can use for 2-3 dive without replace the battery of the camera.
Yeah.
This is very big advantage because you prepare your housing and you can use for 3 dive without
The whole dive day, everything is fixed up,
exactly,
and I don't have to switch up
This is the very one more big advantage.
Yeah. And the housing itself is from aluminium. You showed me a block of the housing.
Yeah. Show you. This is a block. Is before to work is about 24 kilo. And completely works. And the bottom, I can say to all my customers, because the water comes inside the bottom. It's the only housing in the world that standard deep operative 150 meters. Now, normally all the technical diver, they are approximately obligated to buy Easydive housing because it's the only house that you are sure if you go in deeper, you cannot have any problem with the pressure in the bottom. And you don't have also for every customer, you don't have a problem with the water because you have only double o-ring in the back part. This is double o-ring, and also we don't use silicone o-ring, same for the plastic housing, but it's very hard o-ring, very solid. It's for the pneumatic pistons where there are 300 bar, and it's very long life of the o-ring too, and the very protection. And all the housing are tested test a lot of time, 5 times before to sold to all the customer, and this is for our sure that the housing is perfectly, and we try to give, I'll tell to you, the best support also after the sales.
Yeah. Sounds pretty nice. Thanks for taking the time and show me your housing.
Oh, thank you too. Thank you to you all. For any question, visit our website.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
That was the interview. What is your opinion about Easydive? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this content so far, give this video a thumbs up and considering subscribing so you don't miss out on any further videos. For years, every person that want to take their camera underwater had one big problem. If you want to upgrade your camera, you have to upgrade your housing as well. And the housing is more often than not more expensive than the camera. So it's a big step to move forward with a new system, with a new camera. Maybe you can use your ports forwarding with the camera, but the main housing has to change. Even if there are just minor changes, it doesn't work at all, so you have to get a new one. Easydive, on the other hand, try to get rid of this barrier. You just have to change the base plate and you have a complete new system that you can use underwater. And it doesn't matter if you use MFT, APS-C, full frame, it doesn't matter. You can exchange the cameras as you want it. The only part you really have to buy new is the base plate for roughly 400 to 500 euro. It's a pretty reasonable priced product. And this is a price point where I would considering switching more often. In my personal life, I use the Sony a7 III underwater. On land, I upgraded to the a9 III nearly 1.5 years ago. So my new main camera is way better than the camera I use underwater. The Sony a7 III is still pretty good and you can get tremendous pictures with it if you know what you do. So it isn't a problem of the camera, but the a9 III is better. So it would be nice to have just 400 bucks to spend to get the newer, better camera in my housing. I personally dive with Icolite, so I would have to spend like, I don't know, 1,500, 2,000 euros just on the new housing. And this isn't worth it for me. But if it was only 400 euros, maybe considering it. And I think this financial aspect hinders many people from upgrading their underwater setup, because if you take a look at the used market, you see cameras from like 5 to 10 years ago that will sold now. And maybe the person has a better camera for like 1, 2, 3 years and could have upgraded way earlier. The other nice aspect is the lifetime warranty of the housing. Yes, you have to do annual checkups with this setup, and this checkup costs money. You have to send it to them, they exchange every O-ring, they check everything that everything works, and then send it back to you. But if you do this annual checkup, your housing has a lifetime warranty. If something happens, they will cover it. So it's expensive on the one hand, but nice on the other hand. Because be honest, when was the last time you checked all the O-rings of the buttons of your housing? Not the big one, the small ones, which you mostly don't even could access easily without a big toolbox. So it's pretty nice that they will cover these as well. So you could prevent any damage on your underwater housing before it even starts to occur. So all in all, I'm very curious to see this housing in action and would like to get my hands on one housing to test it in the real world. If you'd like to see such a test on my channel, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to see a pretty simple but effective dive light, check out the video next to me. And as I said earlier, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe so you don't miss out on any further videos. And if you made it so far, write easy in the comments down below. Goodbye.